No. Oh. I just did this whole video and it wasn't recording. I just can't believe that. Anyway, let us know. Let us know everywhere. See, you can't even see the stairs, except for that little trail where the dogs go. All the way to the corner over there, to that tree that's leaning over my neighbor's yard. Oh, see? You look all the way up. That tree angles, and it angles, and it angles. I don't know. Could be hitting my neighbors. I think it's laying on that other tree. Oh, that other tree is angled too. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah. Look at the snow in the neighbor's house. Tons of snow. And on our car. And the hot tub. Can't even see the hot tub. Whoa. It's piling up, I tell you.